How to find Eventbrite ID. Eventbrite is an online platform used for creating, managing, and promoting events. In order to find Eventbrite ID, first log in to your account. Enter your Eventbrite portal account details and log in. If you are not registered, create a new account by clicking on Sign Up button. Once you have logged into Eventbrite portal, click on the drop-down arrow. Click on Manage My Events. Select your event. Here you can see event details. Scroll down the page to find the organizer ID. At the bottom of the page, you will find your organizer ID. That's it. Thanks for watching.